Here we have a lightweight pop-up mesh hamper, and when you're opening these, make sure you're being a little bit careful because right now it's under tension, so once I get it opened up, it's gonna pop open. All I'm gonna have to do is remove this strap right here. Watch this. Whoa! As you can see there, it went flying out of my hands. I did not expect that. So let's get it all the way open now. And there you go. Here's the hamper right here. Let's take a closer look at it. Got this nice mesh lining to the entire thing, except for on the bottom, where it has more of this polyester feel to it down here. On one side, we do have this mesh pocket right here. That's pretty nice, so we can throw in extra stuff out there. And then a nice deep hamper right here. As you can see here, it stands just under 25 inches tall, and it has this square top that's about 12 inches by 12 inches. We've also got two handles right here, and now what I really like about it is how well it holds its shape when it's popped open like this. I've had other hampers that don't hold their shape quite well. This one's doing a good job of it. And if you ever want to fold it back up to its original shape, just push in one of the corners until they fold together, and then this will fold together like this, so now you have a nice flat hamper. And then you kind of just have to twist it and bring it together, and it will sort of fold down into its own little ball like that right there. Then you can take that strap that's there and wrap it back over the top of it, and now it's back in its original position. So all in all, it's a pretty solid hamper, and I'm glad that I got it.